Here we have a cheap project, 1972 low light ex PMG bus. Needs plenty of rust work, but she's a runner and a driver. Has been registered in WA consistently for as long as forever. On the inside you can see plenty of rust on that floor there. Runs and drives really well. Motor's just had a load of work. New coil, carby, fuel pump, distributor. New leads in there too. Just gonna start her up. Always starts first kick. Seems to run pretty well. If you reckon you can do some welding, she's a good one for you. Definitely not a lot of panel van ex-PMGs around anymore, so should be a nice one if she's fixed up. Give us a ring.